Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to learn how to set up who gets notified about form submissions. So let's get started. On your site's dashboard, under Customers and Leads, go to Forms and Submissions. Hover over the form you want to work on and click on the three-dot button that corresponds to it. Then select Form Notifications. Here, you'll automatically be taken to the Notifications and Automations section. And as you can see, an automation has already been created when a form is submitted. So we're going to edit that in order to edit who can receive those notifications. So click on Edit. Now we will be taken to the Automation Editor. So we're going to click on our action. In this case, our action is send an email. Here on the left, make sure to set up your sender details. And if you want to customize the email itself, you can click on Edit here and edit the content of your email on the email editor. And since we're going to be selecting who receives these notifications, we're going to go to Set Recipients over here. And by default, this will be selected. If you'd like to add more recipients or remove a recipient, click on this close button here to remove a recipient and click on add recipient to add your preferred recipients of this automated email. So you can select emails from the trigger, contacts, collaborator roles, or other recipients. I'd like to choose a collaborator role. So every time a form is submitted, I'd like these specific people that I'm going to select to receive a notification. And once you're done selecting, you can click on Save. And apart from setting up your recipients, if you ever need to tweak anything here according to your needs and preferences, go ahead and do so. Make sure to double check everything to avoid any errors. Once you're done setting things up here on the left panel, click on Apply and then click on Publish Changes. And the changes you've made will automatically be saved. And those you've set as your recipients will be able to receive a notification every time a visitor submits on this specific form. Also, don't forget to click on Save over here. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.